Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Westmoreland. We're actually driving towards Ferris in Westmoreland. But today we're going to talk about the Ian Fleming International Airport and the name of the airport. Now, the airport was originally called the Boscobel Aerodrome. It was a domestic airport where people would fly from Kingston to Boscobel. But the government upgraded the airport to an international airport. And when they did that, they changed the name to the Ian Fleming International Airport. So a lot of people were asking, why did they name the airport after a foreigner? Now, we're going to go through an article where the government gives some insight, or the government talks about the naming of the airport and the significance of it. But before we go through the article, we have in some previous videos said that certain roads should be named after Jamaicans. But we have no problem with the airport being named Ian Fleming, because Ian Fleming is somebody who, he didn't just visit Jamaica, he lived in Jamaica. He spent 20 odd years in Jamaica. So it's a bit different where we say name the Northern Coastal Highway a section after Bob Marley, or rename Mandela Highway after a Jamaican, and name another road after Nelson Mandela. So we're going to go through an article where the government gives some more information as to why they named this airport after Ian Fleming. Mr. Bartlett, who was speaking to reporters at a recent function at the Moon Palace Hotel in Ocho St. Anne, said even though the airport is named after a non-Jamaican, late British author Ian Fleming, the massive international name recognition and appeal, especially when we factor in the worldwide success of the James Bond movie franchise, justifies the move in going in that direction. The renaming and upgrading of what was once the Boscobel Aerodrome to the Ian Fleming International Airport, named after the iconic writer and creator of the successful James Bond movies, can be a huge pull factor for Jamaica, Mr. Bartlett said. Mr. Fleming, who wrote the James Bond novels from his villa in nearby Oracabessa and lived in Jamaica for a significant portion of his life, has strong ties to the area, making a change from Boscobel to Ian Fleming a fitting tribute, he added. Mr. Bartlett said that the association with Ian Fleming and the James Bond series brings with it myriad advantages for the tourism sector, arguing that the international recognition and global popularity of the James Bond franchise can serve as a powerful marketing tool for Jamaica, enticing fans of the iconic 007 spy movies to visit the island and explore the locations that played a part in the creation and filming of the series. Also by association, Jamaica as the place where the creativity emerged that enabled Mr. Fleming to write 13 James Bond novels provides a very strong appeal. Mr. Fleming fell in love with Jamaica on his first visit in 1943. Mr. Fleming loved Jamaica and for nearly 20 years retreated to the island where he wrote the 12 novels and short stories that feature James Bond. So that is the end of... So Mr. Fleming lived in Jamaica, spent years, over 20 years in Jamaica, got married in Jamaica. So maybe, I'm not sure if he had a Jamaican passport, but if you live in Jamaica for 20 odd years, it's home. So I think it's fine naming the airport after Ian Fleming. So guys, let me know what you think about the naming of the airport. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.